young Ordaz really giving quality minutes para kay Coach Vicente. And back-to-back points by NU. 1 offensive, 1 defensive. Puts them on top by 2. 8 serving 6.
Another good service from Ordaz. Pineda.
Here comes Perez. Pablo. Medyo miss-hitting that. And speaking of miss-hit,
Violation called up against the Lady Bulldogs.
lucky break there, Cortel. That ball was way outside, pero net violation ng NU gives the service back to Adamson. 7 serving 8. Pineda in the middle. Oh, nice play. Pineda knew exactly where she wanted the ball.
Smart move from Pineda. Take a look at that last hit once again.
Eyes in the back of her head. Wow.
Right, not expected by the Lady Bulldogs.
Walang tao dun. 8 all. 2 straight points para sa Adamson. Pablo hammering away again.
Well, that was with a little help from the tape of the net. You can see really how far she approaches for each of her hits. Ang layo ng buwelo.
NU up by 1. 9-8. Set 3.
Pineda down the line, and this one worked again for the Lady Falcons.
Smart move. She had the rookie Ordaz down the line. And hindi niya nga na nilakasan yun, ano? Just get it over.
Well-placed shot for Pineda.
9 all. Set 3. Guevara serving for Adamson.
Good serve. Dindin Santiago with a running attack.
Oh, nice defense by Guevara, pero Pablo at the net on the over-receive. Quick kill para sa NU.
Good quick thinking there from Pablo. You know, this goes to show how important also, court sense is for these players. Oh, that was outside after a good point earned.
Speaking of court sense,
I think what failed these players today is the court sense calling outside the service. Because all other aspects, everything else, okay para they're able to manage to know kung inside, out, saan ang butas. Ang hindi lang talaga nila makuha yung service.
unable to save it was Soriano para sa Adamson. 11-10 as both teams just exchanging blows right now in set number 3.
I think what's important now is for the Lady Falcons to make sure that they defend their areas very well. Perez with the serve. This one's good.
Free ball on the second touch.
There.
Wrong decision para kay Villanueva that time, sending it over. When clearly Santiago is at the net.
So reception again is key here for the Lady Falcons as Perez gets ready to serve.
He's scanning the field, choosing who to send it to. Nice serve again.
Good choice from Perez. Seeing that hole in the middle.
That was a steep serve too. Ganda ng pagkatusok ng bola. Istana had no chance of bringing it back. 13-10 NU on top. Let's listen to Adamson.
Sa'yo yun, gitnang-gitna yun eh. Basahin mo kasi kagad yung nagsiservice. Tama sila pumupunto sa service, ay miss tayo pumunto sa service, sila tayo pinupunto sa... Tara! Walang receive na isang set! Tara, isa na!
Ramil De Jesus, head coach of the DLSU Lady Spikers. Seeing bukas, ano? Bukas
That's right. And,
bukas pa sila.
well, he's early already scouting the opponents.
against UST's second game tomorrow. That's going to be a big one.
Perez with another serve, but this time
Nice timeout
short. Yeah,
by Coach
good
Meneses.
call there for Coach
Sira yung
Meneses, that's
service
right.
ni Perez.
Adamson now just behind by 2 points. Your score is 13-11 as we have May Makatuno at the service line.
The other server serving, and
So wrong decision there from Perez.
that's the first point. Halts that streak by NU.
Another good serve.
Underhand set by Perez. Pineda picks it up. Here comes Soriano.
Soriano is blocked. Opa, Soriano.
I don't know what kind of
People.
shot that was. Galing kay Reyes.
Poor serve.
overset.
Poor set rather.
That time by Adamson, and napatansik si Cornell across mid-court line as a violation point for NU. See what happened there.
Take a look at that again. Well, the set went over and she was still trying to go for it. Santiago, short serve. Soriano dinks it over. Perez to Ordaz, straight into the net.
Little low that time. Wanted to go sa gitna yung butas sa depensa ng Adamson. Clearly way below the tape of the net. So Adamson within 1. He's again is back. With the all-important serve to tie. 13 serving 14.
A quick attack, that's Marzan. Nobody at the back row for Adamson to defend.
Little late defensively sa kanilang mga posisyon. Itong Adamson again here in set number 3 this time. After all that activity in set number 2, medyo naubusan yata sila. Here in set 3.
Good service. Better reception this time. Let's see. They go to Villanueva.
Miscommunication para sa NU that time. Basically a free ball dito. Villanueva punishes it.
Off the block.
Perez, that's not coming back. So Adamson is within 1. 14 serving 15.
Amanda Villanueva to serve.
Good service.
Underhand set. Ooh, that's not even close for Pablo.
Pablo sends that outside.
Well, that's what happens when the reception isn't as good.
Yes.
Nahirapan si Perez to send it to Pablo. In turn, Pablo unable to really control the ball. 15 all, set number 3.
Amanda Villanueva serving for the Lady Falcons. Good serve. Reception's a bit too short. Din Santiago.
It's still alive.
Free
Nice
ball.
play. Pineda keeps it alive.
Oh,
Ooh, there's
good
Pablo.
reception there from Villanueva.
Here's Pineda. In the middle of the defense, Perez is a free ball for Adamson. Guevara picks it up. Oh, too close to the net from Guevara. Wasted opportunity para sa Adamson. Pero Pablo with another error. Lucky break here for Adamson. 16-15. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.